Welcome to your Ditmas Park studio tour. You enter on the first floor of a friendly building with elevator access and on-site laundry. Once inside, you'll notice the freshly refinished hardwood floors and abundant closet space, creating a sense of openness and calm the moment you walk in. With a short staircase leading into the main living area, the layout feels intentional and functional. Stainless steel appliances, a modern countertop, a built-in dishwasher, and microwave adorn your kitchen. For package deliveries, there is an Amazon drop box is available right in the lobby. Now, turning to transit. The Newkirk Plaza station, offering Q and B train service, is only a few minutes away. And the nearby Prospect Park station serves the B, Q, and Franklin Avenue Shuttle lines, making commuting convenient. And if you do not mind a short walk, the 2 and 5 lines are located minutes away on Nostrand Avenue. Several MTA bus routes like B41, B43, B44 SBS, and B48 stop nearby, connecting you quickly to downtown Brooklyn, Grand Army Plaza, Brooklyn Museum, and the rest of New York City. To be approved for this apartment, good credit is a must. General annual income, $90K. Broker fee applies and pets upon approval. Contact U2apartment at 646-504-4483. Thankful for your time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let's spread the word. U2apartment.